Alright guys, this is the second part of my rig welding bed. Finished it up, and primered it, and painted it. So as you can see, I got my vise. It's a little tall, but it's okay. I'm a tall guy, so it's going to work out great. I trimmed out my tail lights, just standard tail lights, and then put in this angle iron, so I can lay my pipe in here and work straight with my pipe. Easy access, easy to work. Here's my boxes. Finished up my boxes. Just got a few shackles in there, and put like a rain guard on there. And right here, I'm putting my weather stripping. And I got these latches. They just open. Framed them out, just tacked them in, cut it out. Used some square tubing to frame it up. A little bit of angle iron. Rod boxes. All this and that. So this is where my bottles are going to go. Put your oxygen bottle in there. Put that sucker back on. Nice and slick. Put a plate. Half-inch plate here. If you don't want to be banging and working on this 1/8, this thin stuff, so you put your plate in here all the way across, and you can hammer on it, work on it. It does real good out in the field. And my vise, like I said it before, and then of course my other door. These latches are pretty easy to get. I found the most easiest one are these the ones like this. So they work real good. You see how that just goes in and out, simple. And you notch out for it with your angle after you frame it up. Closes right up. And of course, here's my other bottle box, whatever you want to call it. So that worked out real good. In my last video, I didn't get a chance to show a real good detail on how I did this. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Let me go around and do this side. Okay. See, this is channel iron. Wow, right up here. I took the old bed off. I just put this channel iron up here and welded some plates, just half-inch plates, square plates, and then I lined up my holes and marked them. And then, of course, everywhere that there used to be a bracket for the old bed, I just put like a plate. And then I made sure my top channel iron, my 4-inch channel iron, was square, plumb, and level. And then once you get that mounted, you make sure it's level. And then the rest of your bed, these are my cross sections, channel iron. This is 3-inch. And there's one there, and there's one just on the other side of the tire. There's 3 or 4 of them. But you take this and you get channel iron for the outside, and you build a frame first. You build a frame off to the side, and then you set the frame up there, make sure it looks good and everything, clean up all your welds. Sometimes on this 1/8 that's real thin on the inside, I just use some square tubing, made some brackets, make it nice and tight hold. And then I took a little flat bar right here and I just kind of trimmed out the bottom, you know, even on the wheel well thing. And a lot of people have their tires sticking out a little further. It throws mud, but I made my bed come all the way out to like the edge of the tire, so we won't get too much mud on the outside. And here's the bottom. Here's the bottom of my bottle box. I just made some holes, and these keepers going down in there. And then I stiffened it up. I put a piece of angle iron across from the frame, and put it on the back of the bottle box so that it'll be all good and hold the weight of the bottles, no problem. So on the first video, it was kind of not enough light, but so maybe it's enough light now. I kind of see a better concept of what's going on. But and the same holds true on the other side. You're going to do these plates on the other side, anywhere there's one. So you get your 4-inch channel, and then you'll build your frame off to the side, and then you can, once you set it up there and everything, you get all your sheet metal, and then you can plasma cut your sheet metal for the sides, and then you can take off to the side and do your bottle boxes, and then square them up, mount them up, and plasma cut for the outside and everything else, and it all comes together in the end. All right, that's about it. Have a good one.